Hi family, welcome back to my channel. For those who are joining for the very first time, welcome. My name is Barbara Nicole, and on this channel we discuss all things fashion, fragrances, and lifestyle content. So if that's something you think you might enjoy, come and rock with your girl. Okay family, so as you guys can tell, I've got a new hairdo and a new attitude, okay? I am loving these braids, guys. These are considered the knotless, medium or standard size braids. And I got them done yesterday, guys, and I absolutely love them. Love, love, love. Shout out to Tijuana. She did an amazing job. Thank you, girl. So anyway, you guys let me know in the comments what you think of these braids. I am feeling them. You know, it takes a load off as far as having to do your hair every day, which is something I do not like to do. So this will help me to get out of the house a lot quicker when taking my son to school and doing other things or running other errands. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the braids. Okay, so today is a video, guys. This is all about Walmart fall haul. As you can tell from the name, I went to Walmart and I was looking at some of their fall fashion, and I've got some goodies for you guys. Okay, remember the very first time I did a Walmart haul, Walmart and Target, I told you guys do not sleep on Walmart and Target. Okay, so specifically this video is all about Walmart. Don't sleep on them, guys. They have some really great pieces, and I'm so excited to show you guys how I style them up with items already in my wardrobe, already in my closet. So, you know, again, it's not about how much you always pay for the item, it's how you style the item, right? So we can accessorize them with our shoes and blazers and sunglasses and glasses and just a lot of different things that really elevate your look no matter how much you paid for it. Okay, all right, so I'm super excited to share these finds with you guys, and here we go. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the very first look that we're going to get started with is from Walmart, a slip dress. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I love a good slip dress, guys. Okay, this is the slip dress. The material has a little bit of texture, so it's not just all silky like most slip dresses are just silky. There's a little texture here, okay? But it is super, super cute, and I threw it on with a blazer. And the blazer, guys, you guys have seen before. This is from my my Temu video that I did, the collab that I did with Temu. If you remember, the red blazer that I got from them, I threw it on with the slip dress, and that is a vibe, okay? You can wear this to church if you want to. You can wear this to work if you want to. You can wear it to a meeting if you want to or need to. Sorry, my video keeps moving, my camera. So yeah, you can wear this slip dress many, many different places and many, many different ways. So again, I styled it up also with these black platforms that you guys have seen before, and a black purse that you guys have already also seen before, which I got this from Shein some time back. Okay, so you guys let me know what you think in the comment section about the slip dress with the red jacket. Okay guys, so this next look is an olive colored or army green dress. Oh my gosh, this is so super cute. It has a belted waist, pleats at the bottom. Is more like an A-line dress. It's lots of room at the bottom for those who may be a little more hippie, or if you blessed a little bit more in the back. This is great for disguising certain areas. I'm sorry guys, my camera keeps moving down. But anyway, it's great for disguising things. This is so super cute. Oh my goodness. And I styled it with a pair of heels that I already had in my closet. Okay. These are by Giovanni Rosu. And so I already had these and I styled it with that. Okay, so yeah, so that's what you guys see in the cutaway, how I styled it up. You guys see the shoes and the dress. I absolutely love this, guys, this look. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section. Super, super cute dress, super comfy to wear. Love it. Okay, so the next outfit, guys, the skirt is actually from Walmart. This is what it looks like. It's a faux leather pleated skirt. Guys, this is so in for the fall. Love this. Guys, look at that. And when I tell you it's got a lot of weight to it, not a lot of weight, but it's not flimsy. Okay, so it's nice and sturdy as far as that material is concerned. And this is gorgeous. I think this is absolutely so cute. Pleated, and I styled it with a top I already had in my closet, already in my wardrobe, one that I got from Shein many years ago, a little see-through there. And that's a vibe, right? And I styled it also with some leopard or cheetah print pumps that I had in my closet already. These are from Nine West. I've had these for a few years, at least 5 or 6 years. And so leopard, cheetah, actually all animal print is definitely in right now for the fall. So guys, go ahead and get out those animal prints and rock it right now. Super, super cute. And the purse is one that I thrifted a while back. So this is thrifted. And again, this is a leopard cheetah print, one of the two, one of those big cats, okay? And so, again, animal print is in for the fall. So if you got animal print, I know some people are a little bit about animal print. It can stand out a little too much, or, you know, may start to cheapen your look a little bit, but I don't think so. It just depends on how you style it. Remember, it's all about how you style your pieces, okay? So a little bit of animal print as your accessory, I think helps to elevate your look, okay? All right. Let me know, guys, what you think about that faux leather skirt. Super cute. Okay. Our next look is by Walmart, and it's a denim skirt, a denim cargo skirt. It does have a slit in the front. I think this is so cute, okay? And this is tall girl friendly because, of course, I'm tall and it comes down to my ankle. So, ladies, if you're a little on the taller end, this will work for you. It will come to your ankle, okay? Super cute. I styled it with a sweater that I actually recently got this from Temu. Okay, so this is a Temu sweater that I styled it with. And I put on some brown boots that I got last year from Amazon. I think these are so cute. I love the heels on these boots. So this is what they look like. And so I styled these with the denim skirt. Okay, so you guys let me know what you think about that in the comment section as well. I think the denim skirt is so cute. Denim skirt is still on trend. Denim is still on trend for the fall. So if you guys remember the video that I did about our 2024 fall trends, if you don't remember that, go back and look at that video. But denim is definitely still on trend for the fall. Okay. All right, we're moving right along. Okay, so this look is a little bit risky, okay? So everybody may not really, you know, like it. It depends on the person, okay? So fashion is also subjective, right? So what might look good to one person may not for the other, okay? Even when it comes to putting on items, you know, when we're wearing items, certain items don't always look good on everyone's body type. So this is one of those looks that I think is a little risky, but I'm willing to take a fashion risk. And so it's actually a dress, an army green dress, but I'm wearing it as a jacket, okay? And then I paired it with what I think is the risky part. The pants are that cheetah print or leopard print. And again, sometimes people can feel like it's a little too much. But again, I think just as a, the pants are, you know, yes, they are the highlight of the outfit. But because I put this on top, it kind of disguises or lessens the print so it's not so in your face, okay? So I think this is a great look to wear together. And again, only the dress / jacket is from Walmart. So that's what you will find currently in Walmart. And I paired them with some booties that I already had in my closet, guys. These are from Guess, and I've had these for over 10 years, okay? So shop your closet, okay? All right, we are moving 2 more outfits left, okay? So this next outfit I really like, guys. So this is a satin pleated burgundy skirt, or they call this Bordeaux is the color, which is really in right now for the fall. Bordeaux is a popping color for the fall. And look at this skirt, guys. It kind of has like a handkerchief look or feel here on both ends of the skirt. I love that. That is such a cute detail. I love it. So cute, so cute. And it does have an elastic waistline here, okay? But that is so cute, all right? So this is from Walmart. And I styled it with another Walmart item, which is this denim blazer. Oh my gosh. So you already know a blazer is so great for the fall time, guys. I can't say it enough. And the fact that it's denim and denim is also in for the fall, love, 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 love. This is the denim blazer, okay, from Walmart that I paired with that satin skirt. And then I threw just like a bralette underneath. I got this from Fashion Nova. Okay, so the bralette is from Fashion Nova, but I threw it underneath with the jacket and that skirt. Yes, ma'am. Okay, yes, ma'am, we're doing that. And the shoes are ones that I already had in my closet again. These are some Bordeaux Tom Ford peep toe shoes. I already had in my closet. So guys, let me know what you think about that look. I love that. And that handkerchief skirt is just, I love how that looks. So just the little details that we, our clothes, offer can make our looks, look different from other people. Gives you like a unique style or a unique look for your outfit. So I absolutely love that. All right. Okay, so our last item from Walmart. And this, I love this, guys. Look at this cute dress. Has a split in the front. I think this is so cute. I love this color. I think this is gorgeous. And I paired it, with the same brown boots from earlier. Okay, you guys have already seen. And I also went back and I grabbed this bag, guys, that you guys, I did a video with this bag earlier this year for the winter time. And so I just grabbed this bag. This is one I got from Shein earlier during the year. And so I threw that on. I also wanted to go back. So with that, the olive green dress, this is the purse that I had with that one, okay? So this purse is from H&M, and I've had this for about a year as well. And so I love how that yellow pops with that that army green. Gorge. Love, love, love. Love that. Okay, and so I think I'm done. So you guys let me know what you think of all of these Walmart items. And I think that they're absolutely cute. They are cost effective. They are affordable, and great quality. Like I said, some of them are very thick and durable and will last. So you guys let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if there are any other items that you think I should check out that's from Walmart that maybe I've overlooked, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Okay, so again, this is our Walmart fall haul. We are in the fall. I love the fall and winter weather, not only because of the weather. I do like it to be a little bit cooler, but I also love fall and winter fashion. Okay, that's when we can really just do some things in the fashion world, right? All right, so I will see you guys very soon with another video. And until next time, family, take care.